one thing I want you guys to focus on is rebuilding yourself. But when you rebuild yourself, make sure that you rebuild with intention. All right? Whatever it is that you put your mind on, make sure that you set it with positive, good intentions. Anything negative will make your plans fail this month. All right? In April, it's going to bring a shift. So, in order to be in line, you must start building with good intentions. Start cleaning up your finances. Start cleaning up your house. Rearrange your schedule. Let go of some of those dead relationships. And most importantly, let's slow down a bit. I know for one, I got to stop rushing and I got to reset my schedule. So that's something that we should be focusing on in April is realignment, rebuilding, and most importantly, restoration. Remember, restoring bodies and minds starts within you. Yeah, it starts within. Nobody can do it for you but you. But restoration is a must. Let's start to reset. So for the month of April, start rebuilding, start restoring you. Like a factory restart, you starting from the beginning. It could be from the beginning of birth before all chaos and all hell broke loose. That's where you're going to reset from, okay? If that's something that you got to work on. So in the month of April, and we're talking about your career, your purpose, finances. Make sure that you stay consistent. Consistency is one of the key things that you need for survival. Is making sure whatever your goals are, you write it down and you stay hooked on that. I ain't say become obsessed with those goals, but make sure that you recite it. You write it down and you go back and you revisit it quite a few times. I want to say at least weekly. You don't got to do it every day because that's a little bit of being obsessed. Start to collaborate, step out a little bit more, and just make sure that you are building good connections with good people. It's time to cut ties with people that hold you back and don't believe in you. Because guess what? If you're around people that don't believe in you and don't believe in the goal, you're going to start with self-doubt. And I just spoke about self-doubt. You got to let self-doubt go because self-doubt does nothing but hinder your dreams, okay? So that's it. Going into the month of April, it's about rebuilding. It's about restoration. It's about finding yourself again. And it's time to be more consistent, be more disciplined. So set at least one goal that you know that you need to accomplish for the month of April. Stay focused on it. All right, guys. Remember, restoration starts within. Restoring bodies and minds starts with you. Bye.